Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video will discuss lesson 5 Spring Cloud, a solution to microservices. Right? So, earlier lecture we have seen what are the different kinds of challenges we'll face in microservices, and today's session I will see how Spring Cloud provides different kind of solution to mitigate those challenges. Okay, so before proceeding to today's topic, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side, right? So this is my channel. If you'll see, lot of videos are there, microservices and some common interview questions, JSON and IntelliJ idea with Git entire series, Java 8 features, Kafka and whatnot. Lots of videos are there, right? So Spring Boot Cache and Spring Boot CRUD operations, Jacaco, code coverage and whatnot, right? So a lot of videos are there. You can explore these videos as well if you are really interested. Okay, let's move to today's topic, Spring Cloud. Okay, so if you'll see here, this is that Spring Cloud, that project I have launched here, and as while developing the microservices will face different kind of challenges. So Spring Cloud, this is a project which provides different kinds of tools which will help us to mitigate those challenges while we'll face developing microservices. Okay, just see, Spring Cloud provides tools for developers to quickly build some of the common patterns in distributed system. For example, configuration management, right? So earlier lecture we have seen what is the challenges we'll face in developing microservices, right? So one of that one is configuration management, how to manage those configurations, right? So Spring Cloud provide a project or solution for configuration management and service discovery and circuit breakers and lot of other things are there, right? So from that Spring Cloud, different projects are there under Spring Cloud. If you see, uh, Spring Cloud circuit breaker, and popularly we'll use this Spring Cloud circuit breaker, and out of this Spring Cloud Netflix, if you'll open this one, Spring Cloud Netflix, Spring Cloud Sloth, and what others will use. So a lot of projects from the Spring Cloud we'll gonna use in upcoming lectures. So Spring Cloud Netflix, that features Spring Cloud Netflix provides service discovery and service discovery, right? So for those service discovery, how we'll use Spring Cloud Netflix, we're gonna see in upcoming videos, right? So Spring Cloud is a project and under which lot of different projects are there, which we're gonna use in our microservices to mitigate those challenges, right? So popularly I told, right, Spring Cloud circuit breaker and Spring Cloud config, right? So here lot of projects we're gonna use. So this is the basic introduction to Spring Cloud and different projects under Spring Cloud we will gonna use in upcoming projects, right? So hope you got a basic overview that what is Spring Cloud and different projects on Spring Cloud which we'll gonna use in upcoming videos, right? So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next lecture. Please have your valuable comments in the comment section, and if you want some other videos, let me know in the comment section so that I will prepare those videos as well, right? So thank you for watching.